Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, January 31st. After yesterday's strong gains across the board, we did make new highs in the overnight session, but we're also backing on off, and it looks like we're getting a little position evening and some technical correcting from yesterday's gains ahead of this morning's export sales report later on. The strong gains yesterday produced good volume and strong open interest. It looked like even the soy meal market made new all-time record highs in the open interest, so we are getting new buying coming back into the marketplace. It is the last day of the month. We are currently working on up technical reversals for the month for wheat, corn, beans, and meal, not so much for oil. We're also, with the last day of the month, looking at the potential for good gains, depending on where we close today, good gains starting out the new year of 2013. Later on this morning, we'll get our export sales. We'll see if we can continue with the good, strong soybean complex sales, see if there's any rebound in the wheat and corn. Yesterday's strength was also attributed to some reports that China is still interested in old crop U.S. beans as we continue, or they and others continue to wait on South America produce coming to the marketplace, as it is still early, as we've been mentioning, as far as giving the market support and them awaiting their harvest, cash movement, and or loading of ships. The weather in South America was looking for a front to come through Argentina. That also added to some of the weakness in the overnight trade. The rain amounts were on the light side. It's moving into southern Brazil and then moving into northern Brazil. We once again are not running into any major problems, but the trade would like to see more rains come into Argentina. Other than that, there was some fair, decent cash movement yesterday of corn and beans on the rally, backing off some of the basis levels. So we'll look and see what sales are later on this morning, update on weather, and perhaps we'll see a little bit more back and fill on the downside in our technical picture after yesterday's strong gains. Once again, those are my opinion, not that of ADM or ADMIS.